Hello guys, good morning, happy Easter everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Ate Wings Mix Vlog. So yeah, to this video, we're going to church. It's Easter Sunday and it's snowing again. So we're going to sing and praise the Lord because we are the choir for today. So but yeah, it's snowing again guys. It's April 17, 2022. This is it. So from my previous video, so it's all about blizzard. For the blizzard started April, Saturday, basta last Wednesday, April 12, I think 13. But yeah, nag-stop siya after 2 days and then nag-clearing ang city, but now the snow come back. Look, and it says in the forecast na 100% today. So yeah, it's snowing again. It's snowing, so I can say December on April. This December on April. Okay. Yeah, it's snowing. This is weird. Like the mga oldies already said that this is once in a decade. Yan yung mga sinabi sa mga katiguangan dere, mga ano, tiguang. Kaya this is not to be happen during springtime, during April. This is weird. We're supposed to enjoy the springtime, the spring weather, but winter is here again. Like there's no more winter, spring, summer, or fall. No more that song. It's only winter, or winter. Yeah, it's true. That's what I can say. Yeah, no more. Ay, basig dili na may experience ang summer. Oh my goodness. See? Yes. Go. Oh, my Hana there. My beautiful Hana. Hindi. Tala sa day. My beautiful Hana. That's my palalap. Our king and our family, and this is our kuya. Dili man mo tanaw. Say wow. So yeah. Easter. Sugid siya. Mag-start ang misa alas 10 pa. But maadto mig sayo kay na kung dili may moadto wa pa mi pangita og parking ante. Sada. So anak diri ang kuan maski Sunday, the city of government kay kuan sila og clearing sa karsada. So over there na ay nag-bultos na sa di mo kita maklaro. So over there. I got video yesterday that I just posted my video taken yesterday that city of Esteban clearing the 4th Street. But here we go again. Ay, nako. Here we go again. Okay, done. makandog sa katubangan ug sa luyo, no? Hinduta gud ana. Kung ato ta agi dali. Ikot na. Ikot na lang yung mga ano ang 4th Street. Yesterday na nalimpo yun na ni gapon.
Hapon kay mas mga ato ba 5th Street kay balik ka 3rd Street.
Mga apay nagsige kahapon. Kaya kung dili manggod ko ano, umaan di na sa maagian. So, wala lang kay Mayo walay klase day no. One week no classes. It's Easter break. It's Easter
Mayo pa
break.
na silang balik.
Eh, kasi paluoy kay sila. Nasa church guys. Mga small services, mga tiguang man itong sakay ato. Gikan sa mga home care ba, unya kuan. Wala pala sila. So that is our church, St. John the Baptist Church. So, nada ya. Lari dool di.
Ha?
Lari dool. Kay una di. Tiguang sa tap. So, lawi ko na namin sa church. Thank you guys. Thanks.